Hello people. Ever wonder, why do hiccups happen? Let me explain. Hiccups are like your body's little software bug. When you eat too fast, drink something fizzy, or even get too excited, you gulp extra air. Your brain goes, too much air, fix it, and sends an emergency signal to your diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs. It jerks, like it's sneezing without warning. Your vocal cords suddenly slam shut, and boom, you hiccup. So yeah, hiccups are your diaphragm being dramatic. Let it chill. And like and follow Causal Consult for more videos. Stay casual, stay curious.